Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about forming a network in a packet tracer. We are going to form a network, how to form a network, which cable to connect. Uh, for example, taking 2620 router, and as usual, we going to connect ports in the router. For example, first switch off the network. So WIC1T, WIC1T. If you planning to create a big network, then you can use WIC2T. So it will give you 4 serial ports in a network. So this is where the trick is. We want to create a network, a virtual network, and let me take another router of 2620 and switch off the router first. WIC1T, WIC1T, switch on again. So we'll take a switch, any switch, for example 2960, and an AND device. You can take a computer out there, you can even pick a laptop, so it's up to you. Now last but not least, but the cabling, which cable we want to use. Basically, to connect switch to switch, we require serial DCE or serial DTE cable. We will pick serial DCE. We'll connect with for example, serial 01 to serial 01, and now 2 ports are now reserved. This router zeros, serial 0 by 0 is reserved to router 1's serial 0 by 1. It means the serial 0 by 0 is connected with serial 0 by 1, and this is the benefit of a packet tracer. You can even see the ports that serial 0 by 0 is connected to serial 0 by 1. Okay, so we connected serial DCE cable, and we connected serial 0 by 0 to serial 0 by 1. Now we need a copper straight cable, because straight cable is requires to connect 2 different devices. Okay, so straight cable is required. When we select the router, we found fast Ethernet 0 by 0. We'll connect this Ethernet port with for example fast Ethernet 0 by 24. Now this 2960 switch also have a Giga Ethernet port. You can see gigabit Ethernet port. So according to your router, now we connected fast Ethernet 0 by 1, 0 by 0 with fast Ethernet 0 by 24 of a router. Same, to connect 2 different devices, we need straight cable. So we connect fast Ethernet 0 by 1 of switch with fast Ethernet port of end device, which is known as computer. Same with the computer PC1 and PC0. Same, fast Ethernet 0 by 0 to fast Ethernet 24, 0 by 24, fast Ethernet 0 by 1 to fast Ethernet of a computer, fast Ethernet 0 by 2 to fast Ethernet 0. So These are connected now. I told one thing in the last video about the up and down of a signal. You can see router is currently down. Those red pointers showing that network is down. But when you see the pointer of computer to router is showing, it's signaling green, means the network is up between this PC to this PC, and they're ready to communicate with each other. Now we not yet configure IP address in the router, so but still these PCs are able to communicate with each other. Remember, every PC have a MAC address, and when we saw about the theory of MAC address, we found that MAC address is allow us to communicate with the end device in the local network. For example, you are a part of a local network. MAC address will allow you to communicate, allow you to connect with your end device, and you able to ping with each other with the MAC address. Currently, if this PC tries to find out the MAC address in the network, we're able to, because this MAC address is now registered in the network, and this PC's MAC address is also registered in the network. But this is not the case with router, because in router we have to communicate, we have to connect we have to first configure the IP address, then only be able to communicate with end router and with end devices. So not with the case with PC will able to communicate with each other via MAC addresses. So I hope you learned something about how to communicate, how to connect the network, and how to draw a network in a packet tracer. In the upcoming videos, we're going to configure this network, and we're going to learn about how to enable routing in this network. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching.